Hello, this is Cheryl Pugh, and welcome to my Scopus Advanced Search Techniques video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the author search, the affiliation search, and of course the advanced search. So we're going to start with the advanced search, and as you see, you have a prompt here to enter a query string. And if you're not sure what that is, if you look right here, they give you some examples of what they mean. So let's get started. I'm going to type in Mars. And over here are some operators that we can use within our search. And underneath are field codes, which are a way to specify some specific search fields. So I'm going to click on the and add it to my search. And then I'm going to type in water. And I'm going to add and again. And minerals. And now I'm going to click search. But before I do that, if you look right here, they give you some information about what using the AND operator will produce when you do a search. So we're going to click on here. And we now have some results. As you can see, 12,119 documents. That's quite a bit. So I want to trim that down a little bit. I'm going to select 2019 for the year. I'm going to reduce the subject area to physics and astronomy. And I'm going to select the document type, article. And I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click limit to, and it will find the results to fit the new criteria that I added. Just as with the basic document search, once you click on an article, you get all this additional things you can do, like for instance, export to RefWorks. You can do view cited by, and it'll show you a list of documents that have cited this article. This one says no documents have been cited. And then you can save to a list. You can also email these results to yourself, save them as a PDF, or print them out. Once you find a document that you are interested in, you can of course click the Find It to take you over to the King Library and search for the full text version of what you are interested in. Also, if we scroll up to the top, you'll see this little menu area, and there are some functions you can perform. You can edit the search query, the one that you did. You can go in and add another field or delete one. You can save the query. You can set an alert so that if there are any other changes or new articles fitting this string, you will get an alert, and you can set the feed to subscribe to this search. And if there's any kind of updates, you will get a notification. Next, we're going to perform an author search. So we're going to go over here and we're going to click authors. Well, first we'll delete this search, and then we're going to click on authors. And I've already researched one to use. His last name is Sun. Oops. His first name begins with an F. As you can see under here, you're able to use initials. And the affiliation will be San Jose State University. So I'm going to go ahead and search. And it shows one author results, so that's good. So we've gotten the specific person we're looking for. And we're going to go here to the results. And we're going to see that he has 7 documents. His affiliation is San Jose State University. And it has the city and the country/territory. So let's open up and look at the list of documents that he has written. And if you look, you see all 7 of the documents. And on the side here, they're letting you know how many articles have cited a particular document. So here on number 4, you'll see that there are 4 cited by works. So let's click on here and take a look at them. And here you will see the articles that cited the first article, number 4, that we showed for Dr. Sun. And this gives you an idea of what you can get when you are doing the author search. Next, we're going to look at the affiliation search. Alright, to perform the affiliation search, you simply type in the name of an institution. So I'm going to put San Jose State University, and I'm going to search. And here's the results page. First, you'll see that there are 11,732 documents by San Jose State, a total of 4,900 authors. You can follow this affiliation and receive emails whenever San Jose State has a document added to Scopus. Here you can view potential affiliation matches. So if you're looking to collaborate, Scopus provides you with a list of possible partners. And then you can select one and find out more information about them. Now, as we scroll down, you'll see documents by subject area, which is what we're looking at now. Collaborating affiliations. And these are other institutions that San Jose has collaborated with. And then documents by source. So you can see that there are different journal names listed here. So these are where articles have been published. And if we click back to the documents by subject area, you see this lovely pie chart that gives you an idea of how many documents, what's the percentage, say for social science, 15.7, arts and humanities, 4.9%. So let's go over to the documents by subject area, and I'm going to click on Earth and Planetary Sciences. As you can see, there's 1,045 documents. I'm going to click on there. I'm going to open up, and I will see here is San Jose State University, and the subject area is, well, they just abbreviate Earth, but we know that it's Earth and Planetary Sciences. And you can scroll down here and select an article and click Find It to get to King's Library to get the full text version. Thank you for joining me on this video adventure through Scopus. I hope you take the time to check out this database. It has a lot of interesting analytics that you may find useful in the future. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. Have a good day.